First, open Termux. Update your packages before installing anything. Type pkg update and pkg upgrade. Wait until the process is complete. Step 2. Now install Python. pkg install Python. Press enter. Type Y if Termux asks for confirmation. Wait until the installation finishes. Most beginners stop here, but this doesn't mean Python is working yet. Let me show you how to verify it. Type this command. If you see 3 arrows, Python is working perfectly. Now let's print our first message. Python version 3 right. Okay, now let's print our first message. Print hello Cobra. Hello Cobra. Good, very good. Okay, congratulations. You just ran your first Python program. Now Python is successfully installed on your phone. In the next video, I will show you how to write and run Python files inside Termux. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.